Well, good morning, guys. It's day 4. I slept in a little bit today. I got up a couple of times. I took Cole for a walk and came back, but I didn't get up. Nice and sunny outside. It was a little chilly this morning. Temperatures are down. I got the heater on down there, and I got this heater on here. Both of those keep it perfectly warm in here without a problem. They're all hooked up to the same wiring that goes to the camp electricity wire, and everything is good. Slept good. I'm not gonna cook anything today. I'm just gonna jump up and throw a couple of TV dinners in the microwave, and that'll be enough. This fan is going, pulling fresh air in to mix with the heated air, so it don't get too hot. There's my view of the lake. I put that screen up to block the wind and block the view. Tried to be a really nice day. It's really sunny now, but it's chilly out there. Cole is tired of outside because I want him to be able to run around because he'll be cooped up in this truck for a while tonight. And anyway, I'm gonna get up and start my day.